Okay, today guys, I'm gonna be playing with a new player. Hi.
Hi. Hi.
What do you want to do? You want to go down to sewers?
Yeah, so I can get
Need
some
one of
money.
these.
Okay. So this.
Gonna need one of these.
What the? So I don't need my pickaxe? I mean, yeah,
Gonna need one
my.
of these. Do you have hip slots?
What's hip slot? I don't have hip slots on. Alright, I already put it in here.
Okay,
I don't have that on.
put this flashlight in your hand. Okay, come on. Put the backpack on your back. Okay, let's go.
Wait,
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 Jeff.
how do I get fast?
You need this. And also you need this. I'd get this out. I'd get at least your pickaxe out. So then you can use like this and stuff. Or either keep your pickaxe or your grappler out, or both. It doesn't really matter. But I'd say you will want that once you're down there. But you're also gonna want your flashlight unless you're near me. And you can talk into your watch if you're far away, by the way.
Okay. Ow!
Sorry.
Did you just hit me?
It was an accident, bro. Sorry.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, whatever you do.
Okay, come on.
I'm here.
Don't touch the tentacles.
Where are you? Oh.
Here, grab some of this stuff. Oh. Where are you? Where'd you go? What?
I'm out of here. I'm literally using the grappler to get out of the hole.
You're not gonna want to do that because everything's gonna be pitch black up there and you won't be able to find your way out. So just go. You're gonna go through sewers.
Nope, I'm ready to think so.
Okay, come.
I'm just kidding, I'm right here.
Okay, come with me. Be careful, don't touch the tentacles.
Don't move.
How are you? Oh, that makes sense. Oh, shit. You died, didn't you?
Yes. Don't worry, I'll be there in a sec. Hang on. I'm here as if I don't see anything.
Yeah, where are you?
What do you mean?
Ah, crap. Not too heavy. I'll be down in a second. Give me a second.
Where are you? I'm here. Okay, where's my stuff? Oh, you keep my stuff. Thanks.
Hey, just stay up there. I'm gonna try to get him to stop falling. Okay, I'll be back down 1 second.
Okay.
You can take my grappler.
Okay, where is it?
It's right, should be right there somewhere. By my backpack.
It's okay. It's okay, I know where to get my old stuff. I got my own stuff. Hang on, let me go to my grappler.
Yeah, that's your grappler. Okay, let's go.
Hang on.
Wait, do you have my
Hang on,
backpack?
I'm gonna do something. No, your backpack, you have your own backpack. Hang on, I'm just gonna put my pickaxe.
This is your backpack.
Oh yeah, bro.
This is your backpack. That's mine.
Oh, it's fine, alright. Oh, I got my other one, my old one.
No, that's
The one
that.
I
Look, you had a flashlight. This is your backpack. I had a bunch of
I have a
stuff.
flashlight
My
here.
backpack.
Look.
Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff. That's my bag.
See? There's my flashlight.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
that's
all my stuff.
That's all.
Give it. Give me my bag, bro.
Here.
It's my bag. Give me it. Thank you.
Wait, can I get my pickaxe?
Your pickaxe.
I had a pickaxe. I had a pickaxe in there. Yeah, look, see? Right here, I already got it.
Okay, now we're gonna go up through Mimic Tunnel and get to the new thing. Don't look at the Mimic.
Look out, there's a bomb. Hey.
There's also a mad Mimic.
Where are you?
Right here, come on.
Over here?
Just stay on the roof.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh,
He found me.
come on. Are you dead? No, come on, keep coming. Come this way, come this way. Okay, come here.
Okay.
Jump down.
What is this place?
You're gonna need your grappler a lot. Come here. Do you want to go to where the boogers are, or do you want to just leave?
Oh, I wanted to leave.
Okay, come on, follow me.
I made it.
Right here. Down. Then across this
Wait,
beam.
bro. Wait.
Wait, what's up here?
Nothing, don't go up. Come to the far left beam. Come to the far left hole. Come here, right here.
I don't have a light.
Yeah, come on, follow me.
Hang on, I'm gonna get a light.
Yeah, grab your flashlight. Can I have it? Here, can I have the light?
Oh.
Okay, come on. There's nothing in here that can kill you except for the lava, which if you don't touch it, you won't die. Come on.
Oh, this thing? I know what this is.
Press these buttons. And you'll spawn back up. Come on.
Whoa, this is fun.
Wait, bro.
What? Let's make some money.
Talk from the
What?
talk from the you know where you are instead of the what is it called? The talk from your real voice not with the talk with by yourself without using the
I just like talking
Walkie-talkie.
into my watch. Okay, come on. I'm gonna climb up here. You don't have any items that you can sell. You're gonna make a lot of money off of this. Like, just trust me. Okay. Now I'm gonna. Okay, now you're gonna press these buttons. Okay, and there was me playing with a new player. Bye.